Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Good news bafethu, Ethan Cheslet no Shinga 100% ready manje ukuthi badlale ku-Kaizer Chiefs. 100%, there is no excuse. There is no excuse bangabadlalisi, but nayi inking of the problem. UCheslet, siqale ngoShinga. UShinga 100% ready ukudlala. NoMarco manje se-ready ukudlala for i-Kaizer Chiefs because of uMarco manje una-4 weeks abuyile ku-injury ye-Kaizer Chiefs, but he was not ready to play then. But manje noMarco u-ready ukudlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs unless if uzophazamiseka ey'nsukwini heading to the games. But-ke manje ngoba manje Bafana izodlala this weekend, siya kuma-national break. Kusho ukuthi by the time abuya amagame, almost abadlali abaningi bazobe ba-almost 100% ukuthi badlale bayi-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs. Meaning that ama-chances kaShinga maybe angaba limited because of uMarco. Maybe uMarco is preferred. uMarco is preferred more than uShinga ukuthi adlale laphana ku-left back, right? So it's gonna be very difficult ukuthi simbone uShinga edlala, especially uMarco if 100% fit. Ngathi bengadlali uMarco engekho, but i-Kaizer Chiefs sokunamanga phakathi-ke le ndaba kalo. Kudala ngiyikhuluma by the way, but ngisho because of ubhuti la ungibuzile, kusho ukuthi uyaqala ukusidiscover noma ukusibona ukuthi ukubona uNkuli wakho ukuthi I am reporting about le nto le sekunesikhathi, ukuthi nami ama-clip wami maningi kakhulu ukuthi ayele phansi because every day ngikhipha into ey'ningi. So ucoach uCedric Keza, I'm-quoting amagama kaCedric Keza ukuthi uthi bazosithola isikhathi ukuthi badlale abadlali when the time is right. Umele nje i-perfect moment ukuthi badlale. Even though Ethan Cheslet, I think it's gonna be difficult for yena ukuthi adlale. Sikhumbule ukuthi laphana ku-number 10 khona umuntu okwazi ukudlala number 10 ku-Kaizer Chiefs, khona uSirino ongayitholi i-match day kakhulu. Simbonile emagemini amaningi makungasuka uShabalala bafaka uGustin Sirino kuleya position le, or uSirino baphinde bambeke esayidini. So uSirino u-versatile, but isikhathi esiningi ungena as number 10, meaning that u-Ethan Cheslet ulwa ku-position nobani, noShabalala, noGustin Sirino. Not forgetting ulo uNgcobo ukuthi same position, but uNgcobo u-versatile, uyakwazi ukuba central, uyakwazi ukuba advance. Abantu mebethi uNgcobo uyi-central midfielder, yes ngiyavuma uyi-central midfielder, but manje like a couple of games back lapha eCongo bebamdlalisa ezi-number 10. Kusho ukuthi uyakwazi ukuba advance, uyakwazi ukudrop. So i-position ye-attacking laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs i-difficult kakhulu. I-attacking midfielder is very difficult, but uCheslet njengoba bengikhuluma ngayo izolo ngishilo ukuthi is one of the most, in fact is their most creative player in terms of uku-create amagoli nokuwashaya. Akekho umuntu attacking midfielder bafethu onamagoli more than u-Ethan Cheslet laphana ku-Kaizer Chiefs. In 5 years, cabanga, in 5 years unamagoli awu-40. So meaning that in terms of ukuwashaya amagoli uyawashaya kadlali futhi serious ngokuwashaya amagoli. So maybe they have to consider him ukuthi if they are struggling with ama-goals, but so far they're not struggling with ama-goals. They've tried ukuthi bakwazi ukuwashaya ama-goals manje. Bayawashaya amagoli, so it makes, I don't know if it will be viable for them ukuthi bavele bashintshe i-squad, bashintshe i-team yonke. Not necessarily yonke, but ba-introduce abanye abantu abangakadlali because of bakhona abadlali abangakadlali this season for i-Kaizer Chiefs at all. But-ke abantu abangakadlali isikhathi esiningi besazi ukuthi abantu ababuya kuma-injuries, abantu ababuya kuma-injuries, or lese uDotli noMsimango already ithe iqala isizini abadlali besebalimele vele. So besinga-expect-anga vele ukuthi badlale, but-ke laba abanye bafike be-right bangalimelanga. And this thing is just sad, man. I-Kaizer Chiefs abadlali baqale badelaya ngama-work permit, ama-work permit, yes, balungiselwa ama-work permit. After-ke kwathatha isikhathi ukuthi baba-introduce, and then abanye baze balimala abadlali. Ethan Cheslet kwathiwa kunama-flu, kunani nani, kunezinto ey'ningi nje bebalwa laphana. But yeah, this season even no-goalkeeper, kukhona o-goalkeeper abangakadlali. uVuma akakadlali, uNtwari udlala igame eyodwa kuphela. Ubuntle Molefe akakadlali naye, but ubuntle Molefe naye struggle from i-injury, given Msimango vele noDotli siyazi ukuthi abakadlali at all. But siya-understand ukuthi balimele. But-ke uDotley by the time ibuya isizini or i-resume iligi or i-competitive football uzobe se-ready, but uzobe sejima ne-team uzobe se-ready ukudlala, but i-match fitness yakhe asazi ukuthi izobe ikuphi. Yeah, Ushinga is gonna be very, very difficult for some of the guys to play. Cabanga sokudlala uGeorge Matlo wamanye amaplayer angakadlali. uGeorge Matlo i-contribution yakhe is just thingakhulumi ngayo. Abanye abangakadlali bafethu obviously abafana abawu-3 baku-DDC team, uMabaso, uNkwesa, uHlongwane. uDonay Jansen naye akakadlali umfowethu laphana. Morris athola igame eyodwa angena yogeja ipenalty. noBatman akakadlali. But yabane-squad esi-right kakhulu ukuthi sikwazi ukulwa. Yeah, but-ke this clip was just for me to talk about Ethan Cheslet noShinga. Ba-ready ukuthi badlale 100%. Bona-ke 100% ukuthi badlale. Mabangadlalanga kuze kuphela unyaka ayasazi-ke bafowethu. And uShinga, the only time I think ngambona ebhentshini kanye, only one time ngacabanga ukuthi uzongena uCrossman elimele laphana ku-left back, bafaka uMcCarthy in their position. Yeah, hayi Shinga ngeke adlale. Ngeke adlale uShinga bafethu. But sobona, no, this is sad. Kuyahlekwa noMacronio bafethu, but angikaze ngibone into enje. But ocoach, yazi singaba-blame ukuba-blame ocoach. Ocoach bajimisa oShinga njalo. Bayazi ukuthi uShinga u-ready or akekho ready. Bayazi ukuthi usibanibani u-ready or akekho ready. So mina as uNkuli la, I can talk about football, ngikhulume kuze kuse, but at the end of the day ocoach beKaizer Chiefs abathatha ama-decision ukuthi usibanibani uyadlala, usibanibani akadlali, usibanibani u-ready, lo akekho ready for ukurepresent iKaizer Chiefs ukuthi ayilwele. So bayawazi ama-players well equipped ukuthi anga-represent iKaizer Chiefs. Nanokuthi uShinga uleka kuphi, there's something lacking if uShinga bamdlalisi kanje. They can't just bakuhlalise ebhentshini without into but at the same time we can say uShinga ngike ngayisho lento ku-previous clip ukuthi uShinga sambona edlala neLona bafuna ne-Asante lapha eThekwini. Wadlala kahle kakhulu uShinga lapha. I was like, okay, I was impressed. Only for a season ukuthi angadlali nokudlala. Yabo mangikhuluma ngendaba yama-injuries uKaizer Chiefs banamanga. Hayi, banamanga boShinga. uShinga akaze uCheslet uye ngike ngambone off engajimi, but uShinga isikhathi esiningi uyajima. So but yeah, we'll see. Ba-protect ama-player straight from ePortugal uShinga. But yeah, akakadlali. But what I like about him, the aggression part of igame yakhe ibaluleke kakhulu. Maybe when he got to the gym, they were like, nah, he's not the one. But uCoach Naba, I think uCoach Naba bekazoba-introduce ama-player amaningi, but uCoach Naba akabhiliveli kuma-youngsters naye. So I can't really khuluma kakhulu, talk much about uCoach Naba because naye bene-opportunity ukuthi adlalise oManqoba laphana, but akabadlalisanga. So it's part of the game, man. Ocoach bafuna ama-results, abanaso isikhathi sokuthesta abanye abadlali. Babhilivela kulabadlali ababhilivela kubo, then that's it. Yeah, we'll see. Season inde, amagame maningi, continental football, local football, lot of traveling. Some guys haven't even made the match day squad in terms of like traveling across the continent. But yeah, their time will come. Danko bafethu.